showing you how to perform some assisted PNF stretching on the rotators of the trunk. When performing the stretches on the rotators of the trunk, we will be targeting mostly the external and internal obliques along with the erector spinae group, so the iliac, the longissimus, and the spinalis muscles. For this one, what we are going to do is take the knee and hip into flexion, and then we are going to bring it over the opposite knee. You're going to place one hand on the knee, opposite hand is going to be on the shoulder to stabilize. Then from here, what we are going to do is rotate the body by bringing the knee towards the floor. And to add the contract relax, what we're going to do is I want you, so 2 taps is going to indicate to turn, I want you to bring your butt towards the table. And then after 4 to 7 seconds, relax. And you're going to take them deeper into the stretch. And then if we want to add an added antagonist contraction, same thing, we're going to do 2 taps, bring your butt towards the table. And I want you to bring your hip, roll it over. And that is how we perform the PNF stretching on the rotators of the trunk.